friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. I'm very fluorescent today, so maybe a bad decision. We'll find out. This top's from Old Navy. Let's go. We have a Wantable unboxing today, and it is the Spring Break Edit. Now, I'm going on vacation, so I ordered the Spring Break Edit, and I told them I am going on vacation. So I'd like some vacation pieces. So let's see how they did. Wantable lately, I'm not gonna lie, I haven't really been that impressed. So hopefully this one is nice. We're gonna open her up. We have our trusty rusty screwdriver. Here we go. If you haven't tried Wantable before, I'll leave a description down below about Wantable and a referral link. I don't know, I can't remember if you get anything off if you use my referral link or not. I am so blown out. This picture was a mistake. It was a mistake. Mistakes were made. I'm gonna change my shirt. I think that's a little better. Still, Old Navy. Old Navy. I bought like 4 tops from Old Navy online at like 5 in the morning the other day, so I couldn't sleep. It helped me. All right, here we go. Here's our bundle. I'm gonna flip her over. It looks like I got some more of that fluorescent pink, yo. I just had a feeling. That's so funny. Yeah, there's some fluorescent pink in there. Whoa, whoa. Did I have a feeling or what? Like, cause I didn't look. Okay, let's bust her open. Whoa. Things are falling already. Great start. Okay, we have the invoice and the note on here. Oh, their bag is melon colored this time. To send back the things you don't want to keep. So, hi Rachel, it's time to start packing. Your Spring Break Edit is here. I saw your notes, so I included a variety of budget-friendly styles for your upcoming trip to Jamaica. I even snagged a few of your stream requests. These versatile pieces make it easy to create countless outfits for your vacay. Enjoy a mix of warm weather styles and travel-ready trends to get you there. Be sure to try everything on and let me know what you think. Don't forget, if you keep 5+ pieces, you'll save 20% on your total. Ready, set, jet. Enjoy, Jordan, stylist. Thanks, Jordan. It has the prices and the names of everything on the back of that, so I don't want to look at that yet. She sent me 2 jewelry pieces, which means I got 5 clothing items. Let's see what's up first. Oh, seriously. Oh man, why? How did I know? Like, how did I know? Like the pinks today, man. I'm still getting blown out. It's fine. There's snow outside. It's making the light much brighter than normal. Here are the earrings. Those are kind of fun. Those pink earrings. They're kind of like a coral. They're coming off really pink on camera. They're beaded. They're kind of fun. I don't know if I'm going to put them in my ears, but pretend. Pretend, if you will, for a moment. A world where earrings went in my ear. They're kind of cute. I do feel like I could find these kind of anywhere. They're really pretty. They are very pretty. I don't think I'll keep them. I don't think I'm going to put them in my ears. Just because I don't want to take the time to clean them and all that jazz. But they're very pretty. I kind of wish, like, I'd rather just get all clothes, to be honest. Sometimes jewelry is nice, but like maybe just send me 1 piece of jewelry. I don't know. But there is always that thing, if you don't like any of the clothes and you do like a piece of the jewelry, at least you don't miss out on your styling fee. So there's a $20 styling fee. It gets credited towards what you keep. Let's see what this is. Ooh. Just a very simple gold necklace. We'll put her on. But here's first look. Very simple, but very pretty. Very shiny. We'll put her on. Here's a necklace. This is the longest it goes. So I think it'd be a good layering piece. I could put my other one back on. Let's see if I can zoom in, bring the camera down. Real time! There we go. Yeah, so I think it's really pretty. I think it catches the light really nicely. I could wear it on vacation. Like, I can barely feel it there. So I think that's really nice. That's pretty. I like that. I hate when I zoom in and move the camera. It's always so hard to get it back to where it goes. But here it is with my regular necklace that I wear like every day. I think it's really nice layering piece. I have a mirror here. I think it's really pretty. So that could be a keeper, if nothing else, you know, unless it's like an ungodly amount of money. Here's our first clothing item though, and it is a dress. It's a maxi dress, and it's got like the different tiers. Again, same kind of color as my shirt before, so it's blowing out a lot, but it has like the different tiers on it like that. That's cute. That could be really nice. Oh, it has a little keyhole in the back. That could be really nice on vacation to just throw over my bathing suit, because I'm hopefully gonna just be like in my bathing suit the whole time I'm there. That's really cute. I know it just looks black right now, but wait. It has the Swiss dot. I do love a Swiss dot. That's really cute. Oh, that's really cute. I know it's just black. I like black. That would be really cute to tuck into a skirt at work. There's the sleeves. I like that a lot. Next we have, oh, are you like, it's like a shawl kimono thing. I know it's not a real kimono. Don't at me. This is like a stretchy material too. This would be really nice over a bathing suit as well. I almost just went to put it on. Wait, Rachel. I was like, oh, she might have sent me like a whole outfit. These are very mix and match. Okay, here is just, it looks like just a white cropped t-shirt. If you've watched my videos before, you know I'm not good on like white clothes just because I am messy. I have a black dog, but it's a staple piece. It's a staple piece. And then lastly, are these Vegas? Jordan, you did good. You did good this box. Some shorts, some Vegas shorts. I love Vegas. Size 32, so they did see that I sized down one. This is the Vegas Marley mid-rise. We'll see how far they go up. I like the little cuff. I think those are cute. Good box. Okay, let's try everything on. Yes, I know my head's cut off. I'm still here. Here's the first item. It is the dress. It goes right to the tops of my feet. I will be wearing sandals on vacation, so no heels or anything, so it does drag just a little bit. But I think it would be nice, like I said, to throw over a bathing suit. I'll show you the length of it. I can go down that far. It's pretty cute. I know it's like blown out, so you can't really see the tiers of fabric. Sorry. There we go. Yeah, it goes right to the tops of my feet. Super nice and flowy. It's kind of cute. Do I think I could maybe find something similar? Yeah, we'll see what the price is. But the color is really pretty. My husband really likes this color on me, so I think it's nice just to throw on in the summer, whatever. It's nice. The armholes are a little big. You can see my cami underneath it. Obviously on vacation I'd be wearing a bathing suit, so you'd probably see that underneath it instead. But I think it's cute. It's cute. All right, let's try on the other outfits. I do like how she sent like everything kind of correlates together. Correlates. I promise I didn't plan that. Okay, let's try on the rest. Yay! Okay, here's the shorts. I think they're really cute. They are mid-rise, but like look at this stretch. They're very stretchy. So that's nice. I love Vegas jeans. I think they're cute. Here's the back. I have the pockets. Here's the back of the top. It goes down a little bit. It's kind of cute. I really like it. I like these two things together. This would probably be how I would wear. The top is tucked in. If I untuck it, it goes to like right here. I guess I'll show you, but I really like this silhouette. I think is cute. I don't know if I would take this top on vacation, but like I said, it'd be really cute tucked into like my work pants as well. But here is it untucked as well. I keep saying as well also too. So yeah, I definitely like it better tucked in. But it's still a nice length if you didn't want to tuck it in. And then the sleeves are elastic, so you could probably wear it off the shoulder too. I just don't do that because I feel like it makes me broader up here. I don't need help doing that. So yeah, I think it's really cute. I like the shorts. I think the length is okay. They're shorts, so they should be a little shorter. Yeah, I like them. Okay, let's try on more. Here's the white cropped t-shirt. Do I think I could probably get this somewhere? Yeah, but it looks really cute with these shorts. I'm not gonna lie. It looks really cute. It's like the perfect length for them, just to kind of hang out. Here's the back. Let me put my necklaces out. Like that's cute. It's a cute look. Just to go run to the store, be on vacay, throw it over a bathing suit, and bring it down a little bit so you can see the shorts. Yeah, I think it's cute. It's really soft. Is it a plain t-shirt? Yeah, but then let's throw this on over it, and we have ourselves a little outfit. Okay? Let's see. This is so stretchy. All right. That's freaking cute, dude. It's freaking cute. I kind of feel a little like Alexis Rose. That's cute. You know, this is longer than the shorts. That's fine. They should be. Let me show you how long it goes in the back. You can even see, yeah. So it goes right to like, right above my back of my knee. I think that's a cute outfit. You could even tie this maybe if you wanted to. It's so stretchy. You just tie it. It's really stretchy. I'm not stretching the material out. Sometimes people have issues with me tying things. That's cute. Super cute. Super cute. Okay, well that's 5 things I like from this box. 5 things. So I would get 20% off. So let's go over prices and see how much things are. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already and you like these kinds of unboxings. Prices. I'm really nervous. I'm really nervous. I liked a lot of things. And like this necklace, I've been wearing it with my regular one and it hasn't twisted at all. So I think it's kind of like the perfect layering necklace. No, no flippin' way. No flippin' way. Are you ready? Every item is under $50. That is a frickin' first for a Wantable box. Frickin' first. Jeez Louise. Okay. The Newport cropped tee in white, size XL by 78 and Sunny, $44. Is that a lot for a cropped tee? Yes. Take 20% off. How much is that? 30, 34, maybe? Still a lot, maybe? Maybe. It's really soft though. The Marley roll cuff short in medium wash, size 32 by Vegas, $48. The Olivia J kimono in pink by Contempo, $49. The Luxe Petite fringe earrings in terracotta by Ink and Alloy, $44. Do you see this hair? I do. It's so weird. Right here. Like, get information. Okay. The sequins necklace in gold, $42 by Anaju Tolia. The tiered maxi dress in Dewberry, size 1X, which is 14W to 16W by Addison Parker. It's on sale for $34. It's originally $68. And the knit dot puff sleeve top in black, size large, $48. I'm blown away. I'm blown away, Jordan at Wantable. You did amazing. Okay, let's do some quick math. Hang on. Okay, so if I keep the 5 things that I liked, which is the white shirt, the shorts, the kimono, the necklace, and the black top, after 20%, it would be $184.80. Which is kind of still a lot, if I'm being honest, for me. Would I wear those pieces a lot? Yeah, I think I would. I think I would get a lot of use out of them. Look at my hair. I'm deflecting. It's fine. $184.80 for those 5 things, as opposed to Well, if I keep everything, it's just more money. It's like they should do, I've said this before, Wantable has the worst discount program, I feel like. I feel like if you keep 3 things, you get 15% off. If you keep 5 things, you should get like 25% off. If you keep everything, I feel like you should get 30% off, personally. Okay, let's do some more math. Let's see. If I only keep, real time, if I only keep, I like the shorts. No, I like everything. I really like this necklace. Okay, oh, I forgot, minus my styling fee. So it was $184.80. 184.80 minus $20 styling fee is $164.80, and I have $5 credit too, minus $5, so $159.80 for those 5 things. $159.80 divided by 5 items, that equals out to $31.96 an item. Am I gonna do it? Am I gonna do it? Should I do it? I think those are all really great summer pieces. The kimono, the crop top, the black top I'll wear to work, the necklace, the shorts. I'm gonna wear them all, I think, a lot. I think I'm gonna do it. $159.80. I think I'm gonna do it. It was my birthday. I have birthday money. I think I'm gonna do it. Okay, you guys. This was a very successful Wantable box. I am so happy with how this turned out. So, it might be a one-off. It might be a one-off from Wantable of how good this is, but I'm happy with it. Oh, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you want to check out Wantable, I have my referral link down below, and I will see you next time.